something is wrong with the universe. Did the Big Bang ever make sense? Has James Webb revealed? Hello, universe explorers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's sparking debate. Did the James Webb Space Telescope really prove that the Big Bang never happened? Or are we just scratching the surface of something much bigger? Get ready, because what we're going to discuss here might challenge everything you've ever heard about the origin of the universe. Stay with us until the end, because the upcoming revelations will blow your mind. Part 1. The curiosity that drives science. Imagine a universe where certainties are constantly being challenged. Since James Webb began sending us unprecedented images of the cosmos, many theories have been called into question. But do these new discoveries really dismantle the Big Bang model? Or are we simply interpreting the data too hastily? Before jumping to any conclusions, let's dive deeper into these questions. Part 2. Differences between telescopes and their capabilities. To understand the impact of James Webb's discoveries, we first need to look at the giants it stands on. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, gave us spectacular images of the universe, reaching unimaginable distances. Hubble primarily observes in visible and ultraviolet light, but Webb, with its advanced infrared technology, goes far beyond. It doesn't just peer through cosmic dust clouds, it allows us to see the first galaxies formed over 13.5 billion light-years away. This means we're literally looking into the past, witnessing the universe in its early stages. It's like having a cosmic time machine. If you're fascinated by these cosmic discoveries, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and smash the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have so much more to explore together. Part 3. Explaining the current models. Now that we understand the difference between telescopes, let's talk about what's really at stake. The Big Bang model, the prevailing theory, suggests that the universe began from an extremely dense and hot point, expanding over time. But what Webb has revealed is that there are older, more massive galaxies in regions where we thought there was almost nothing. This could indicate that the universe is much older than we imagined, or that it has always existed, expanding and contracting in eternal cycles. However, for now, the Big Bang model remains the most accepted in the scientific community, primarily because it explains the cosmic microwave background radiation and the observed expansion of the universe. Part 4. The curiosity about recent discoveries. A fascinating rumor circulating is that James Webb has proven the Big Bang never happened. That's not entirely true. What Webb has shown us is that the universe is far more complex and perhaps older than we thought. But that doesn't mean we can immediately discard the Big Bang. On the contrary, these new discoveries lead us to question and explore other possibilities, such as the idea that the universe might go through cycles of expansion and contraction, an idea that is still heavily debated. Part 5. The importance of evolving science. Even with all these new discoveries, the Big Bang model continues to be the most accepted because it still aligns with much of the data we have, especially the calculations and observations made over the past decades. However, science is always evolving. Theories that were once considered unshakable have been replaced by new ideas as more evidence has emerged. And the same could happen with the Big Bang in the future. That's the beauty of science, the constant search for answers that make us question what we once believed to be true. Part 6. Conclusion. The search for truth continues. So what does all this mean? It means we are at an exciting time in the history of cosmology. The James Webb Telescope may not have debunked the Big Bang, but it certainly gave us a lot to think about. Science is a field where today's answers can become tomorrow's questions, and that's what makes exploring the universe so fascinating. And what about you? Do you think we're on the verge of a new revolution in our understanding of the cosmos? Leave your comment below, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. The search for truth continues, and we want you to be part of this journey.